Have I learned any TikTok dances? Yes, I have. My daughter did teach me some. I'm not doing them.
Oh, come on. Just a little.
My name is George Motz, and it's my job to celebrate the regional American hamburger. I like hamburgers, just like you. Regional burgers are everywhere, which means that there's a certain regional identity to a hamburger in many parts of the United States. Sorry, I just bubbled it. You see that bubble coming out of my mouth? When you get into the regional American hamburger, you're actually getting into history, and you're learning about where these burgers come from. In a way, we're actually learning all about who we are as Americans. Today, I'm going to teach you about a regional icon from Hawaii. Yes, Hawaii, the Loco Moco. When you think of a Hawaiian burger, unfortunately, I think you're probably thinking of pineapples, you're thinking of ham. You ready for this one? It wasn't even invented in Hawaii. The pineapple on a burger was actually started in Ontario, Canada. Not kidding. In Canada, not Hawaii. If you go to Hawaii and you ask for a pineapple on a burger, they'll give you one, and then they'll be chuckling in the kitchen because they're thinking, this guy thinks he knows what he's talking about. But it makes me angry. First of all, I think pineapple on a burger is bleh. It's too sweet. Well, why would you want to put a big ring of grilled sweetness? It's disgusting. Don't do it, people. It's too sweet. A real homegrown Hawaiian burger is unquestionably the Loco Moco. It's actually not even really a hamburger. I like to include it in the hamburger family. Hamburger is something you can pick up with your hand and put in your face. This is one of the burgers that I approve of you can actually eat with a knife and a fork. There are 4 elements to a Loco Moco. It's a bed of rice on a plate, the hamburger patty on top of that, covered in brown gravy, and then there is a fried egg on top. I have a lot of apparatus here, as you can see. I've got a rice maker. I've got a flat top for making a burger. I've got a pan for frying an egg. Ooh, stand back. Basically, I'm making a smash burger on a flat top. A little bit of salt. I like making a fried onion burger, so I'm actually adding onions to the burger the same way they would have done it in Oklahoma. Smashed into the burger. These onions are sliced paper thin, so they cook faster. Thick onions take forever to cook. Rice on a plate. I've got my handy rice cooker over here. This is a gift from my kids for Christmas one year. They also, one year, gave me a beer holder from my shower, which I use. This burger was actually invented by a football team, and I think you probably understand why. There's a lot of protein here. The burger speaks to you. It tells you when to flip it. It's saying, flip me. You want to make sure you fry an egg perfectly. You have to have a runny yolk. Okay, now the burger's done. Burger, onto rice. Now gravy. So now we have rice, hamburger patty, gravy, and now the fried egg goes on top. This is on fire, hang on. Okay, fried egg on top. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Wait over here. You see that? Hold it lower. Closer to my heart. It's a Loco Moco. Look at that thing. You probably imagine this is very popular with the late night crowd in Hawaii. It's a great late night snack, the Loco Moco. Eaten with a fork. I'm gonna break the yolk. Ready? Here we go. Break yolk. Oh, look at that. Here, get a shot of that. Get in there. Oh, maybe a little hot sauce would work. The Loco Moco. Oh, that's fucking good. Is it a burger? Not really. It's a hamburger plate, which actually goes back to the beginning of the hamburger, if you think about it, in Germany, where hamburgers were not served on buns or bread. They were served on a plate, just like this. Just not with rice and an egg and gravy on top. So, yeah. Is it good? Oh yeah. Is it in the hamburger family? Definitely. Is it a hamburger? Not really. And it's Hawaiian. A real Hawaiian burger. Not a pineapple in sight. See you next time. I could literally drink this. Wow, you could drink it too, but no, it's pretty intense. Yeah.